How to do the voice thing on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can do the voice thing on TikTok. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to do the voice thing on TikTok, such as maybe you want to convert a text into a speech, or maybe you want to add the voice effects, it's very simple. What you want to do is first you want to simply go ahead and then open the TikTok app over here. Once you open the TikTok app, go ahead and tap on the plus icon and then choose any of the photos or videos that you want to upload. So I'll suggest go ahead and choose a random photo, let's say for the context of this video. Once I select a specific photo over here, let's say I want to add a text to it and add the voice to it. So first I'll just tap on the double A icon from the top right hand side of the screen to add a specific text over here. So let me just go ahead and then type in any of the text. Now once I enter my text, you can see my text is right over here. Now let's say I want to convert this into a speech. So first I'll also simply increase my volume to show you guys right over here. Once I increase the volume, I'll just tap on it, and here you can see text to speech. So I'll just tap on it.
Example of the king.
So as you could basically see that TikTok is going to announce this sentence right over here. So if I just go ahead and also tap on it right over here as well, you'll be able to notice that
Example of the king.
TikTok is going to actually pronounce this as well. So if you want to cancel it, tap on it, tap on cancel, and then simply go ahead and simply cancel the text to speech. There are also some of the audio editing. If you want to do, tap on the audio editing tab. You can add some of the effects such as chipmunk, baritone, and so on if you would like to use any of these effects as well. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then do the voice thing on TikTok. If you're wondering how you could do the text to speech thing, we hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.